All of you fine?
Yes.
Okay, so I think that you started to learn English.
Yes.
Okay, so I just asked you some questions regarding your progress. So are you happy to give the reply?
Yes.
Okay, so first of all, I would like to ask, so when you started your course of English? Yeah.
About 2 months ago, I will.
2 months ago. Okay.
2 months ago. I was started
Hmm.
at 28 October.
Yeah, 28 October.
October.
Okay, so how many days have you completed now?
Uh, 2 months.
2 months. Okay, and how is your result?
My result is increase.
Increase. Okay, now I think that you are going to Africa. And what is your role to Africa? What do you do in Africa?
I am an LM operator,
LM operator.
just like a laser marking machine.
Okay. Yes, sir. Now, are you ready to give the trend then?
Yes.
Sure.
Sure.
Perfect. And how many days you spend here? Do you think that that is good for me?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. So nice. And what's your good name, Mister?
My name is Mukesh.
You're the Mr. Mukesh.
Yes,
Okay. And how long have you been working in this company?
I'm a diamond artist.
How long? How long you have been working in this company?
15.
For 15 years. Okay. So when you start your course, when you start to learn English by me, how was your level and how is your level right now?
Level is better.
Level is better. Okay. So can you say something? Can you give some positive comments? Okay, what types of good result you got?
Good result. Result.
You got good result. Now, are you going to Gabon,
Yes.
Africa? You are right now. Okay.
Right.
So can you face the peoples of the African?
Yes.
Can you face? Can you communicate with them?
Little bit.
Little bit. Okay. And can you express in few words your experience?
Yes. Experience સારો છે.
And how is the experience?
Good.
Good. Means can you express a little bit Hindi and little bit English and Gujarati? No problem. You can express.
બંનેમાં. ઇંગ્લિશમાં સારો અનુભવ છે.
Okay.
મારી લેંગ્વેજ ઇઝ ગુજરાતી.
ગુજરાતી. I know that you are the Gujarati. પણ જ્યારે તમે કોર્સ શરૂઆત કરી ત્યારે તમારું લેવલ કેવું હતું ને અત્યારે કેવું લેવું છે? ઇંગ્લિશમાં ટ્રાય કરશો. હા.
પહેલા કરતા ઘણું બેટર છે.
ઓકે. એટલે કેવી રીતે બેટર તમને લાગે છે?
બોલવામાં, સમજવામાં,
ઓકે.
પછી
હમ.
વાત કોઈની સાથે કરવામાં.
અચ્છા. કોઈના સાથે તમે વાત કરી શકો તો સમજી શકો છો. રાઈટ. અને આજે તમને શું અનુભવે છે કે લાઈક તમે અત્યારે 1.5 મહિનાથી ટ્રેનિંગ લીધી અને આ 1.5 મહિના અત્યારે તમે આફ્રિકા જવાના છો. આઈ થિંક ઇન ફ્યુ ડેઝ યુ આર ગોઈંગ ટુ આફ્રિકા. તો ત્યાંના લોકો જો તમારા સાથે ગુજરાતીમાં વાત કરે, સોરી ઇંગ્લિશમાં જો વાત કરશે તો કેન યુ રિપ્લાય આપ દેમ?
Yes.
શ્યોર? હેવ યુ ગોટ ધ કોન્ફિડન્સ?
Confidence.
ચલો ગુડ ફાઇન. તો મારી સાથે તમને જે ભણવાનું જે તમને જે એક્સપિરિયન્સ મળ્યું તો એના અંદર આપણે 10 માંથી તમે મને કેટલા માર્ક્સમાં આપી શકો? 10 માંથી 2, 3, 4, 5 કે 10 માંથી 10 કેટલા?
8.
8. અચ્છા, 2 માર્ક મને ઓછા મળે છે. રીઝન જાણી શકું?
મારી નબળાઈ.
અચ્છા, મારી નબળાઈ.
મારી.
તમારા લીધે મારા 2 માર્ક કેમ ઓછા કરો છો?
લેંગ્વેજ થોડી બોલી હિન્દી ગુજરાતી છે ને.
એવું છે. ચલો, સરસ, ઘણું સરસ. ચલો. તમારો opportunity, I become very happy. Okay. ચલો, I think that he is your best friend, no?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, like what's your good name?
My name is Kanti.
Mr. Kanti. Okay. And can you share your experience regarding of learning English? Let's try something Gujarati English. બંનેમાં try કરો.
Experience. I don't know.
Super. No, when you started to learn English, so how was your level that time, and how is your level right now? જ્યારે તમે અંગ્રેજી શીખવાનું શરૂઆત કર્યું ત્યારે તમારું લેવલ કેવું હતું અને અત્યારે તમારું લેવલ કેવું છે?
એ સવાલ તો સમજાણો પણ જવાબ દેતા નતા.
ઓકે. હા.
Start time is
Okay, just wait. Mekhi bhai actually is very excited to know. Yes, Mekhi bhai. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so actually I want to know that how is your experience? Let us. regarding English.
Yes, my English class start is my level 10%,
Okay.
and now my level is very well,
Okay.
and 16-70% I English speak. And first time my level is only for Gujarati and
Okay.
no English speak.
Right.
I very well English speak and very well answer.
Hmm. Good. So are you satisfied what I taught you, what I given you training? So are you satisfied?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And what's your education?
My education.
You completed 10. Okay. How old are you?
I am 48 years old.
Okay, I think that you are 48 years old, no?
Yes.
Okay, good. So I think that we have to clap for him. We have to admire him. Actually, he is the agent, and he right now is getting the opportunity to go to the Africa, and whether he is interested. And not only interested, but there was a challenge for him as a communications. But when I come here, so he continuously joined with atmosphere with lots of the difficulties, and he tried to solve it. And he also given the lots of the efforts. He has given his effort actually in their house. Actually, I think his daughter, I think, helped for him to continue their studies, solve these problems, many more things. But the main thing is that he has got interest. So I think that you also have the interest to learn English, whatever, nothing only a language. If you got interest in any other things, you can be develop yourself. તો અત્યારે એક્સપિરિયન્સ તમારા સામે જ છે, રિઝલ્ટ તમારા સામે છે. You can see. Okay. So one thing is that I want to know you that what you will do in Africa.
I am going to put a lot of money. Very well.
Okay. It means so you want to go there to earn money. Okay, to earn money. Good. So fine. So I think we all very happy with you because you are also getting good results. Nice. Yes, Mr. And you. What's your good name?
My name is Mahesh Gulgar.
Mahesh Baltania. Okay. And what's your education?
The education in 10 complete.
You 10 completed from Gujarati medium.
Yes.
Okay. And where are you going right now?
Now Africa.
Now you are going to Africa. Okay. And what's your level in Africa? On which level you are going to Africa?
Yeah, my level is diamond artist.
Diamond artist. Okay. And you have to work there or you have to train there?
Yeah, no, in 10.
You will train to others, other people,
Guys.
other guys. Okay. And what do you think right now your English?
Yeah, in little bit.
Little bit. You English little bit as per your knowledge. Okay, chalo, fine. હવે ચલો હું તમને હવે તમારા માટે એક opportunity આપું છું કે you can speak a little bit Gujarati words, okay? Because our actually this video is shared to the all of us of Gujaratis also, because right now we are living Gujarati and some diamonds artists also who can be watch our video કે આપણો વિડિયો જોઈને એમણે પણ એવું લાગશે કે ની ખરેખર ઘણા બધા આર્ટિસ્ટ રત્નકાર કલાકારો જે અત્યારે તમે વર્ક કરી રહ્યા છો, મહેનત કરી રહ્યા છો, ઘણા લોકોનું એક સપનું હોય છે. મોસ્ટ ઓફલી અવર ઇન્ડિયન્સ લાઈક ગુજરાતી આર્ટિસ્ટ લાઈક a Surat of the city they want to settle in the Africa, so whatever, okay, in abroad. So, but actually their main problem they cannot communicate English. તો અત્યારે તમારા સામે જ છે. I just give the training in the 2 months and they have increased their result. Not as much because depend on the language, depend on the efforts. But જે તમને રિઝલ્ટ મળ્યું છે એ રીતે રિઝલ્ટ તમને પણ મળી શકે છે. So the main thing is that you have to struggle, you have to concentrate on your study. Okay, so no problem, you can share your experience either in Gujarati or any other language. Come on, let's start.
My name is Mahesh and my education in 10 completed.
Okay.
And my live is Parvat Patia Smith Row House.
Okay.
And my village is Karla, Gujarat, Bhavnagar district.
Okay.
And my work is K. Gitala.
Okay, you are working in K. Gitala.
And I'm diamond artist.
Yeah.
And my company is Umia Mata.
Okay, your company is nearby the Umia Mata temple.
Near Umia Mata.
Yeah.
And my boss is Siddharth Sir.
Okay, and I also thankful to your boss because Mr. Siddhartha, he has given me the opportunity, and I am very thankful to Mr. Kunal. Actually, he just come and give me the opportunity to teach you. So I will be very thankful to your boss, Mr. Siddhartha sir, and Mr. Kunal. I will be very thankful to you. Okay, good, nice. And can you?
My name is Kanti,
Okay.
and I am 10 completed,
Yeah.
and I am 37 years.
Okay.
My living Ambika Residency, Kamraj,
Okay. Okay.
and my work KG House.
Okay. I work in KG
I
House.
work in KG House, and my company owner is Siddharth sir,
Okay.
and my department head Mr. Kunal Shah,
Yeah.
and my manager is Mr. Kirit Bhai.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, that's all.
Good. Nice. 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 Yes, Mr. Kamri. We want to also listen by you.
My name is Mukesh Kalsaria.
Okay.
My life in Saskardam.
Okay. I live in the you live in Saskatchewan.
My
Okay.
family member 20.
Yes.
My village Dungar.
Okay.
District Amreli.
Mm-hmm.
My company name is K. Girdala.
Okay.
My company sponsor is Sujay sir.
Mm-hmm.
My head company, my department head is Kunal Shah.
Yeah.
And my friend and Mr. K. manager.
Yeah. Good. He's like he's your also friends and manager also.
Or my best friend sub department.
Okay. Okay. Good.
Uh,
And I think I like to ask you the one question. What's your life in? What is your life in?
my life in and better.
My life aim is I want to become a successful man.
Successful man. Man. So right now you are already man. But what types of success? What types of success you want to get?
I want to become a rich man.
Rich man. So that you are going to Africa. No?
Yes.
I think that you will become rich. Our best complimentations will also miss you. Yes, you, Mr. Mukesh bhai. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What's your life in?
My life. My lecture diamond business.
Okay. You want to be a businessman of the diamond. Okay. Good. Great. Yes, you.
You also say
Okay, yeah. So you also want to become the same like as in want to become a rich person and what? Okay, good. Yes, you. What's your life?
First diamond business.
Okay, you want to start your own diamond business.
Yes.
Okay, good, fantastic, very good. And yes, Muxibai, yes, you. What do you?
I want to progress in my future
Okay, you want to progress your future. Yes, good. And
and diamond business in my life.
okay, you also want to. I think that you all can become the partner in your one company. You can start a new company. Okay, yes, for that.